Hey Brady, are you free today?
Hey, Tony. Yeah, I'm free. What's up? You sound a little down.
Yeah, I really need to talk. Can we meet at the coffee shop?
Of course. I'll be there in 15 minutes.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Hey, Tony. You look really upset. What's wrong?
Brady, Lisa, and I broke up.
What? Are you serious? After 5 years?
Yeah. She said she wants to move on.
I'm so sorry, man. What happened?
She told me she's not happy anymore. She said we've changed.
Did she say why she felt that way?
She said we don't spend enough quality time together anymore. She feels like we've grown apart.
Have you guys tried talking about it before?
Yeah, but every time we talk, we just argue.
That's tough, man. Breakups are never easy.
I keep thinking about what I did wrong. Did I not pay enough attention to her? Did I focus too much on work?
Relationships take effort from both people, Tony. Maybe she was feeling lonely, even when you were together.
That's what she said. She told me she felt emotionally distant, even when we were in the same room.
That must have been painful for her. But it's not just your fault. Relationships change over time.
I just wish I could fix things.
I know, but sometimes things don't go the way we want. Do you think she made the right decision?
I don't know. I love her, Brady. I thought we would be together forever.
I understand. 5 years is a long time.
I keep thinking about all the memories we shared. Our trips, our late night talks, even our small fights. Everything reminds me of her.
That's natural, Tony. It's okay to feel sad. You need time to heal.
But I don't know how to move on. I feel lost.
You don't have to rush. One day at a time.
I keep checking my phone, hoping she'll text me.
That's normal, but try to give yourself some space.
I don't know if I can. It's like she was part of my daily routine.
That's what makes breakups hard. You have to rebuild your life without that person.
I just wish she had told me earlier that she was feeling this way.
Maybe she was afraid of hurting you.
Or maybe she just didn't care enough to fix it.
I don't think that's true. She was with you for 5 years. That means something.
I just don't know how to stop thinking about her.
It's going to take time, but you'll get there. Have you thought about what you'll do next?
Not really. I don't feel like doing anything.
How about hanging out with friends? Keeping yourself busy?
Maybe. But everything feels meaningless right now.
That's because your mind is still focused on Lisa. It'll take time, but trust me, you will feel better.
You think so?
I know so. I went through a breakup before, remember?
Yeah, I remember. You were so upset.
Exactly. But with time I healed, and you will too.
It just feels like no one else will ever make me as happy as she did.
You might feel that way now, but one day you'll meet someone new.
I don't even want to think about dating again.
You don't have to. Just focus on yourself for now.
Maybe I should. I need to do something.
Start with small steps. Go out, meet people, enjoy life.
It's hard, but I guess I should try.
What do you usually do when you're stressed?
I used to go for a run. Lisa and I used to run together.
Then go running again. It might help clear your mind.
Maybe I should. I need to do something.
And talk to your friends. You don't have to go through this alone.
Thanks, Brady. I appreciate you being here for me.
Anytime, man. That's what friends are for.
Maybe I should travel. Get away for a while.
That's a great idea. A new environment could help.
Yeah, I always wanted to visit Japan.
Then do it. Give yourself a fresh start.
I'll think about it.
And maybe start journaling your thoughts. Writing things down can help you process your emotions.
That's a good idea. I have a lot on my mind.
Exactly. It'll help you let go little by little. So what's next for you, Tony?
I guess I need to focus on myself now.
That's a good plan. Maybe pick up a new hobby?
Yeah, I always wanted to learn guitar.
Keep yourself busy. It'll help you move on.
You're right. I don't want to stay sad forever.
Exactly. Life goes on, Tony, and you'll find happiness again.
Thanks, Brady. You've really helped me today.
Anytime, buddy. Let's grab another coffee on me.
Sounds good.
And hey, remember, better days are coming.
I hope so. One step at a time, right?
That's the spirit, Tony. You got this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.